Alright, here we go. This is my first attempt at making the old little hidden survival cache. Turned out alright. I put a base coat of brown down first. And then I hit it with some black, and then I hit it with some green. I could continue to go over this with alternating colors, but if I put this in the middle of a palmetto patch and camouflage it up pretty nicely, you're never going to find it. Why I like this one is the inside can fit 2 or 3 water bottles. So I'm going to put a couple of standard sized water bottles in here, and I can put a lot of food, some dried stuff like rice and stuff like that, and some spare ammo and some all kinds of good stuff. Now, the top really isn't waterproofed, but it screws down pretty firm. I don't think a critter's going to unscrew that, and I don't think any rain is going to get under the lip of this. But put some brush on top of it and everything, so you never know. But this is my first cut at a little mini survival cache. I'm going to fill this up with some good stuff, and this is going to be hidden around me and Trailblazer Tim's new base camp. If we ever get a chance to go out and work on it, it's still spring gobbler season, so we don't want to get shot. But check this out. This is made out of an old isopure like protein powder thing, and I think this is going to be just right. So with our first cut at making a mini survival cache, this is Matt the old Florida boy saying, I will see you on the trail.